Hey guys, I am back by popular demand. So today's video is gonna be a cooking one, okay? I'm making chiles rellenos. My grandpa que en paz descanse loved the chiles rellenos I would make. He would always come over so I could make them for him. So this is the ingredient list of what you're gonna need. You're gonna need flour, aka harina, okay? So that's gonna be like once you toast the chiles, you're gonna have to like how do you fucking say it? Like I guess I'm just tossing them around in the harina so that the egg can actually adhere to the chile. So you need harina, you need canola oil. This is what you're gonna use to fry the chiles. You're gonna need poblano peppers right here. Right now we're gonna toast them in a minute. You need eggs. I go with a lot of fucking eggs because I don't like that once I make my mixture. I'll show you right now in a little bit. I don't like que se me vaya desesponjando, that's what you want to call it. So, but I'll show you what I'm talking about later. And you need eggs. I make my chiles rellenos stuffed with picadillo. A lot of people like to make it with cheese, but my husband, he's a fucking meat fanatic, so he needs to have meat in his food. So I'm having ground beef. Technically, no, this is ground chuck. I don't know what the fuck the difference is, but this bitch was prettier and cheaper, so I got ground chuck. Aquí se me chingaron. Normally it doesn't take a lot of money to make these bitches, okay? Pero Walmart's refrigerator, something fucked up. I don't know. They said something about that. All their shit had gone bad, so this is what I had to fucking buy. This big ass bitch right here. This was like $9, but you need something smaller than this. Hold on, it's my honeys. What's up, baby? Hold on, I can't hear you. Hello? Hellos?
What are you doing?
I'm making my video, baby, and right now you're interrupting, my dear.
I'm looking forward to that.
I'm making chiles rellenos, okay?
Okay. Oh yeah. The Murphy for the points. How do you check them? You check them online or what?
I don't know. I think it has a website there. I'll check right now and I think I got an email when I signed up.
Okay. Done.
Love you.
No, it's
Bye. Back to the video. Okay, and for like I was saying, I stuffed my chiles with picadillo. So with the ground chuck or ground beef, whatever you use, I make it with potatoes and carrots, and I add a little bit of onions, and just season them al gusto. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, for the next step, if you multitask like me, you're gonna start toasting the chiles. Okay, so you're gonna put these babies in the comal, let these bitches toast. And next, you're gonna put the ground beef or the ground chuck to cook. Throw this bitch in the trash. So you're gonna start cooking the meat and start toasting the chiles. Okay, so this is the next step right here. Okay, guys, for the next step, we're gonna start browning the ground beef or the ground chuck, whatever you use. So we're gonna have that in one pot, and on the comal, we're toasting the chiles, okay? So basically right here, you're gonna want like a nice toasty coating all the way around. I'll show you right now in a minute how it's supposed to look. But this is the next step, okay? You're supposed to be browning the meat and toasting the chiles. While the meat is browning, I'm gonna start seasoning the meat. So I go fucking crazy with this shit. I like a lot of flavor, so I'll add some adobo. I don't know if y'all like adobo. Oh, this bitch right here is fucking good. I don't know if y'all use this, but this baby's good right here. I'll add a little bit of this shit. Some garlic. I use cumin. And I'm gonna make sure this shit's not cinnamon. Yeah, it's cumin, okay? A little bit of cumin. Some salt. And let this baby cook. Okay, once the meat has cooked, once it's nicely browned, you're gonna start adding the onions. Fuck it, put them all. The carrots and the potatoes. You hear that shit? That popping? It's the chiles. Okay, they're already toasting nicely, you see? You're supposed to black up these bitches. Try to burn them. Okay, my love, so while the chiles are toasting and the meat's cooking, ponte a comarrear con el queso, okay? So let me open this baby up. Okay. Of course, I'm not gonna use all of the queso, but maybe like half of it. I'll bring a bigger fucking knife. Okay. So what we're gonna do with the cheese? Let me pull this bitch up right here. I made a mess. Let me put the rest of the queso I'm not using in the fridge. Okay, so this is what we're gonna start doing with the cheese. We're gonna be mad at it. We're just gonna fuck it all up. So nomás desmenuza todo el queso. Okay, guys, so back to our chiles. Our chiles are toasting. This is basically what you want all the way around the chile. You see that? You need a nice toasty layer all the way around. Okay, so once all your chiles are toasted, you're gonna put them in an airtight container, or you wanna go Mexican version, like my mama does them, put them in a trash bag, okay? So the purpose of this is that you're gonna let the heat from the chiles finish, I guess, helping you separate the skin from the chile. You know, it'll be much easier. Like for instance, it's been in here for like a couple minutes already, and it's just gonna make it easier to peel everything off. Okay, so that's the purpose of this process right here, this step. It's just gonna help you peel the chiles better. The skin's gonna come off much easier. So leave them in a container or in a trash bag, whatever you use, for like a good 15 minutes or so, and then start peeling all the chiles, okay? So this one's already done. I already started peeling it. You're just gonna peel that skin that toasted off. You're just gonna peel it away. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Just peel the baby off. Ah, cabrón, está caliente. So peel, peel, peel. Okay, my dears, once the chiles are all peeled, they're gonna look like this, okay? Dos feitos. Okay, so the next step right here is gonna be more an option to you también. You're gonna slice them open because you're gonna start stuffing them with the cheese and the picadillo, or just cheese, whatever you like. And it has a membrane inside, like a bunch of little seeds. Let me show you. Where's my fucking? You're gonna, let me turn it a little bit. I tend to slice them like more towards like the outer edge, not really towards the middle, but like towards over here. Okay, but when you open it, don't do the cut super big either. You see that? You see that membrane inside those seeds? I leave their asses in there, okay? I feel it gives it like a little, like a kick to it, like a little bit spiciness to the chile. Because the chile itself is not spicy, you know. My kids eat this shit, you know, but I leave the membrane in there. I leave that shit intact. So the next step right here, you're just gonna stuff these babies, okay? Like I said, don't do your slit too big. Give me a spoon. And you're gonna, let me turn you a little bit. You're gonna put cheese in here. And then I put meat in there because, like I said, my husband's a meat fanatic, so. Okay, so there. I put cheese first, then some meat, and then I'll put a little bit more cheese on top. So you're gonna stuff these babies, okay? And don't overstuff them either, because then they're gonna start ripping up and you don't want that. So you're gonna do this to all your chiles, okay? You're gonna stuff them however you like, with cheese, picadillo, just cheese, just picadillo, however you like. That's your option. So you're gonna stuff them, and then we're on to the next step, okay? Okay, ladies, this is basically the last step already, okay? And this is the more difficult one, that's what you wanna call it. This is Sheldon shit right here, okay? We're gonna do multiple things at once, okay? Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my stove. So we can start heating the oil, okay? We're gonna start heating the oil. So, let me see, you can see better. All right, right there. Okay, I basically fill it up to where I know it's gonna like coat the chile maybe like halfway. And then with the spoon, I'm pouring oil over the chile as it's, you know, cooking in the, frying in the egg. So I'll show you right now what I'm talking about, but pour some bitch in there. This ain't low fat food right here, okay? So you gotta pour some fucking oil in this bitch. Okay. Heat that bitch up. Okay. So we have the oil already heating up. This is how the chiles are supposed to look once you stuff them, okay? Got this baby stuffed with cheese and picadillo. So while the oil is heating up, we're gonna start doing the eggs. Let me get a plate. Right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start separating the eggs. And you're gonna go ahead and whisk them up, or what the fuck you call that? You're gonna whip them up, okay? You're gonna get like a nice foamy mixture out of this, but you gotta separate the eggs. This right here is an option. I have my stand-up mixer. You can use a hand mixer or manually if you're good with your hands. That didn't sound right, but you know what the fuck I mean. You can either use a hand mixture, stand-up mixture, or one of those, what do you call them? You know what the fuck I'm talking about, but whatever. Just blend this bitch up. You're gonna mix this shit up. You're gonna whip it up. So let's start separating the eggs. You're separating the whites from the yolks, okay? So I put the yolk on a separate plate and I start collecting all the whites on one plate. So this gets messy, okay? So just to let you know, little FYI. I'm gonna open up roughly around, I made 7 chiles, so I would say, I'm gonna go with 8 eggs just to be on the safe side. Más o menos an egg per chile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay, like I said, I have my oil heating up, so we're gonna start whisking up the egg whites. You're gonna use your whisk attachment. Put that baby in there. Lock that bitch in. I put it like in around the 4th speed and just pop in your egg whites. And then you can speed it up to number 6. The purpose here, you're putting air into the egg so it can start foaming up, okay? You're gonna mix, 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 mix. Just whisk that bitch up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to foam up already, okay? You're gonna keep going, foam that bitch up. When you're noticing that it's starting to foam up already, you're gonna add 1 egg yolk at a time. Since I used 8 eggs, I'm gonna use 3 egg yolks, okay? It's just como para pintarlo tantito. There you go. Let's check our consistency. You see how it's still real aguado? We need to add more air. Okay, my mixture's ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the chiles. One at a time. You're gonna like roll that bitch in the flour, so it can get nice and coated. Can't talk today for some fucking reason. So this is how the chile is gonna look when you're coating it in the flour. Just roll it around, get it nice and coated. You're gonna dip it in the mixture we did with the eggs. To get that baby out, you're gonna put in the oil. Oh yeah. Let me get a spoon real quick. I like to put oil a little bit all around it so it can help cook the egg from the top. Right now I'm getting ready to flip it over. Okay, we're gonna flip this baby. Yeah, be careful when you flip these bitches, eh? Se le puede salir todo el pinche stuffing. Got my oil set too high. Let me lower this bitch down. And right here, basically just frying the egg. And that's it, my dears. That's the art to making chiles rellenos. So tell me what you think. Me aventé. So if y'all want like a nice, shopping spree, or maybe just something, cute you want to buy for yourselves, make these for your hubby si les tumban los calzones, okay? That's what I do for mine. So let me know if y'all want me to do anything for y'all else. And thanks for hanging with me. Oh, before I go, I don't know if you've noticed through the fucking video, my eyebrows are all fucked up. When I got back from Laredo, I waxed them y casi me quedo sin pinche ceja. So, if you want to see a clip of that, you know what? Fuck yeah, I'm gonna put a little clip on that shit. Okay, this is not gonna end well. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, mommy.
Oh, my Lord Jesus.
What happened?
I fucked up. That's what happened.
Mommy, cry.
I'm about to cry. Okay, you know what? I need a... Where the fuck is my... Ahora sí ya valió mothers. Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, got my fucking eyebrow off. Son of a bitch. This is why I should stop playing with this shit. I keep fucking them up. I keep fucking them up.
Mom.
Hold on.
This.
I gotta pray, baby. Hold on. Oh my god. Vete, no me toques nada, güey. Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Hold on, Dad. Tengo huevos, tengo huevos. Ah, son of a bitch. Cause yeah, quedé como pendeja. Look at this shit. Ay, Dios mío. Pero yeah, thanks for hanging with me. I hope you liked my video and bye.